Welcome back to another video, guys. I got Luke here. Okay. We're gonna be starting on. You good, bro? On the. we're gonna be starting in the front portion of my car. We're gonna put some camera bolts on and probably adjust the camera plates on the airlift. Alright guys, so one of my issues when I was driving the car was my end links. They were like hitting my adjustable end links. I guess it was hitting because it was way too short, so Luke and I just adjusted it, and let's hope it's not gonna hit. And so the camber bolts that I got were the SBCs, and then we got the Whiteline ones. Got the Whiteline ones. If you guys want these, I can put a link in the description. So those two bolts will be going in, one right here, and then there's another bolt right there. I will be showing that after we got this in. Alright, so at the moment we are adjusting the camber plates. We just finished putting the camber bolts in. Alright guys, we adjusted it and we put on the wheel. This is how it sits at the moment. Ooh. Oh, there's some lip. But you guys can't see that yet. Just yet. We maxed out the camera plates and the camera bolts. Now we're gonna start on the other side. Oh look, the RPF one. Alright guys, I haven't picked up the camera in like a week. It's been snowing hella here in Seattle. I got Luke here and Jeremy here. And we're gonna be starting on the rears today, try to get the wheels on and everything. Look at all this toe. Ooh. I can totally drive like this. Alright guys, well, I guess we gotta freaking wait a little bit longer because at the moment I don't really have that much adjustment for the toe. So I have to get trailing arms or toe arms to fix this.